does anyone know how many times I can use these? And if I can get them wet in between shaving areas? This scares me more than just about anything, or whitening my teeth right now, but I've never shaved my face. I've never had any dermacleaning done. I've asked my girlfriends if I should do it. They said no, and here I am, influenced, and are you supposed to put something on your face? Oh, might have done too much. Said to do it in short sprays, so I don't know. I've never done this before. Look at all that hair on my face. I'm really scared. Now, I thought you're supposed to do this with like lubrication or something, right? Look how much hair I have on my face. Holy hell. Okay. I'm so scared. I'm just gonna do right here. Okay, I'm kind of freaked out. Okay, let's respray and see what my hair situation is. Let's see what the hair looks like. No hair. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Okay, the blade, really sharp. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to rinse them or not, but I didn't. I just kind of shaved the areas I wanted to. I'm a little nervous, so I'm not shaving my whole face, okay? I did my forehead, and I did right around my eyes, because I think that's gonna really help with my concealer. I'm kind of freaked out, but I will say these were really easy to use and pinpoint where I wanted, and looks very smooth, so I think that's good. I think that's good. Let's go wash this off. Okay, I'm gonna spray with my hydrochloric spray, just in case. Anytime you do any kind of a, blade to your face, you want to use some of the spray.